Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. As you can see, we kind of rearranged everything, and as you can see, we finally got the overhorse Silverado in here. In the past videos, I've mentioned about adding a supercharger into this, so we went ahead and got the torque storm. My brother did, so I didn't have to spend the money. It's a good thing. So this project is going to be an ongoing process because I'm not working on it all the time, and there will be times when I can't come over here. And one of the things I have to do first, though, is I'm gonna have to take the grill off. Sorry, I don't got very good lighting in here right now. But I'm gonna take the front grill off and the front bumper cover because I don't want to chip it, scratch it, crack it, whatever, you know. Then I gotta take off the tranny cooler, this one right here, and the radiator and the fan. And my main reason is we gotta add an adapter to the balancer. So in order to get to it, you have to take everything off, and then you gotta drill it in and put the adapter on for the pulley, for the extra pulley for the supercharger. And I gotta disconnect the battery too because it's gonna be here for a while, and I don't want it to die. But as you can see, here's the engine bay of his truck. This is my brother's truck. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And everything I take off, like the big parts, will be added to the back of the bed. Even though there's the trash, I'm cleaning it up. We have a few blankets we use around the shop, and we're gonna add it onto that. And got myself a table to be a little more organized, and some little plastic totes here, because I'm gonna be more organized than I was with my project. I'll have baggies going onto it and showing you exactly what's going in there. I will start taking everything out of the box here for the supercharger. Look at that glorious thing. That way I can be more organized and get this done quicker and better, I think. And it is cold. I have this heater running. I have that one running out. I'm taking precautions and opening the door every so often. As you can see, we're getting fuller, and our projects are going along quicker, but just not enough room. But hopefully everything good and go better next year, and we'll have something else. For now, let me go ahead and start taking some of the things off, and that way I can show y'all more. So I went ahead and unboxed everything from the supercharger just to show y'all what's going on. It comes with a cool installation guide. I won't go through it because Torque Storm wrote it really well, and I'm not gonna take the rights away. It's their stuff, you know. So if you ever buy one, just know they have a very, very good installation guide. This is the supercharger. I don't want to take it out of the thing because I just don't want it to get damaged. It comes with everything. As you can see, it had a list of everything that's supposed to be on there before they shipped it out. See, get the ship. It got us the new filter, crank pin kit, the one I was talking about for the other pulley. You got a drill into it. It comes with the drill. It comes with the bracket because you're gonna have to mount it on the passenger side of the engine. So you have to relocate some things, you know. It got the clamps. It got the blow-off valve right here. It has a new belt tensioner because, like I said, it's gonna change some stuff up, and some of these other things right here. It comes with the elbow for the air filter once you go through that too. It got other stuff for the, like I said, there's a pulley that you add on to there. That's for the stock hub if you have it. It comes with the new thermostat housing. It's a straighter one. You just gotta put it on there. It comes this for where the elbow meets the other part. It comes with a whole new belt accessory. Because like I said, everything's gonna relocate. This is where actually the supercharger goes on there. a new belt and a new hose. I believe it's the one on the bottom side of the radiator. But as you can see, this is all the components right here. It's doesn't look like a lot, but it is a lot. But like I said, Torxon has a very, very good guide on how to do it. But for just end of this video, that's gonna be pretty much it. I did take off the battery, like I said, I don't want this to die. But on the next video, I will be posting some of the progress I have on this thing. So keep on watching and you'll see some progress. And there'll probably be in another video in between this one and the next one. I'll let you know more about it, some exciting news I got. Alright guys, oh, and thank you for the 50 subs. Keep on subbing me, keep on mentioning to your friends. Like I said, I just want to grow this channel. I should have done it earlier, I never did, but we're gonna go ahead and get there already. Alright, bye guys.